Toto sú moje nohy, o ktoré sa musím starať, ako v bavlnke. V roku 2014 som prežil rozsiahlu pľúcnu embóliu, kedy som mal v pľúcach v oboch lalokoch dokopy 7 zrazenín, 3 v jednom laloku a 4 v druhom laloku. Embóliu som dostal na 5. deň po operácii krčových žíl, ktoré sa mi aj tak rýchlo začali tvoriť znova, dedičnosť. Bolo mi povedané, že to ešte žiadny človek na Zemi nikde neprežil, čo som prekonal ja. Prekonal som celkovo 15 záchvatov, z toho 7. záchvat bol pre mňa kritický, kedy sa mi zastavilo aj srdce a ja som bol prakticky mŕtvy 3 minúty, ale po 3 minútach sa moje srdce rozhodlo, že to nevzdá a začalo znova bez pomoci byť. Lekári mi dávali prognózu, že budem žiť najviac 5 alebo 6 mesiacov. Trpím opuchom nôh, ale najviac sa to prejavuje v lete. Bez pančúch nohy opúchnú, že nemôžem ani topánky obuť. A preto mám nariadené cievnym chirurgom nosiť elastické pančuchy a dokonca aj mám v nich spať, čo niekedy sa nedá, najmä v lete počas horúčav, ale bežne cez deň v nich chodiť nemám problém. Sú prevažné z spandexového materiálu a má vlastnosti ternovlákna. Vyzerajú ako tenučká guma, alebo tenká kaučuková guma. Predávajú a vyrábajú sa iba v Číne, ale iné druhy pančúch pre mužov sa predávajú aj v EU a inde po svete. Podstúpil som aj operáciu pravého kolena laparoskopicky. Operácia kolena nedopadla priaznivo, lebo poškodenie kĺbu sa operáciou nedalo napraviť. A preto musím užívať silné tabletky od bolesti, aby som mohol fungovať v bežnom živote. Výmenu kĺbu mám podstúpiť najskôr v 60-ke, lebo vraj výmena je len možná až po 12 až 15 rokoch. Koleno bolo viackrát vyklbené a z toho došlo k rozsiahlemu poškodeniu kĺbu. Dokonca 2-krát aj po operácii. Koleno je stále v dezolátnom stave.
These are my feet that I have to take care of, like in cotton. In 2014, I survived a massive pulmonary embolism, when I had a total of 7 clots in both lobes of my lungs, 3 in one lobe and 4 in the other lobe. I had an embolism on the 5th day after surgery for varicose veins, which quickly started forming again anyway, heredity. I have been told that no man anywhere on earth has ever gone through what I have gone through. I survived a total of 15 seizures, 7 of which were critical for me, when my heart also stopped and I was practically dead for 3 minutes, but after 3 minutes my heart decided not to give up and started beating again without help. The doctors gave me a prognosis that I would live no more than 5 or 6 months. I suffer from leg swelling, but it is most noticeable in the summer. Without stockings, my feet swell so much that I can't even put on shoes. And that's why I'm ordered by vascular surgeons to wear elastic stockings, and I even have to sleep in them, which is sometimes impossible, especially in the summer during the heat, but normally I have no problem walking in them during the day. They are predominantly made of spandex material and has turno-fiber properties. They look like thin rubber or thin rubber. They are only sold and manufactured in China, but other types of men's stockings are also manufactured and sold in the EU and elsewhere in the world. I also underwent surgery on my right knee laparoscopic. The knee operation did not turn out well, because the damage to the joint could not be repaired by the operation. And so I have to take strong pain pills to function in my normal life. I should undergo joint replacement at the earliest in my 60s, because it is said that replacement is only possible after 12 to 15 years. The knee was dislocated several times and the joint was extensively damaged. Even twice after surgery. The knee is still in a desolate state.
Toto video nadväzuje na to predošlé video s názvom Moje boľavé nohy. Rozhodol som sa vyrobiť toto video, ako dôkaz, že neklamem. Bol som k tomu nútený, lebo po niektorí ma obviňovali z klamstva, že som si operáciu krčových žíl, operáciu kolena a pľúcnu embóliu len vymyslel. Tak tu máte dôkazy.
This video is a continuation of the previous video called My Sore Feet. I decided to make this video as proof that I'm not lying. I was forced to do this because some people accused me of lying, that I just made up the varicose vein surgery, the knee surgery and the pulmonary embolism. So there you have the evidence.